consideration the technology and how the work environment is constantly changing, what aspects do we need to relearn as humans to make the future of work more human?
I think it's the future of life, not just work. When you look around in many situations, if you go into a restaurant, you see people on the underground, you see people in bars, in shops, and when you see them in the offices, they communicate less than they did in the past because they're looking at a screen. For the future of work and the future of education, we need people to communicate better. And this is something that has been exacerbated by the pandemic, but was already a problem beforehand. People got used to being alone, not interacting on a daily basis. We do have many, many young people who've spent 2 years of schooling at home, and they haven't been interacting with school friends, and some of them have lost that ability. We have young children who've really struggled when they start nursery and preschool, because that initial 2 years they haven't been interacting with other toddlers, other babies. And all of us in general have to learn to put the mobile away, to turn it off, to put it in our pocket, to put it on airplane mode. Not so simply that we're paying attention to whoever's with us, but also so we're not distracted. So we can focus on what is happening around us. We can look around us, see the world, see what's happening to the world, and interact with people on the street, interact even with simple facial expressions and smiles with people on the underground, rather than just being buried and blinkered and looking at our screen.